Okay, thanks for tuning in to this page. I'm just going to show you, I'm working on a client website. I just want to show you how I'm building out that page in an SEO optimized way. Now, for customers that aren't local SEO clients, we rely on what AI tells us for SEO information. Once they become monthly campaign clients, that's when we throw it into Neuron Writer, which is similar to Page Optimizer Pro, which is similar to other AI on-page SEO optimization tools. So basically, first thing I do is I always have, now you can do this in Claude, whatever, have a project for the client I'm working on. Inside that project, I have an intake form. So if you can pull this from my website if you want, website intake form. So it's going to be this filled out. We have deep research. So as part of my website design process, I have some AI deep research that I do. And if you want any of this, head over to my Norzer Discord server. It's totally free. I'll step you through all this. But it has a ton of information on what the company is, competition, goals, etc., etc. And then before we actually do work with the client, we put together a website framework, like a step-by-step plan of how we're going to build the page. That's based on this, and it's here. It's all generated with AI. Again, if you want this, let me know. It's totally free. I'm not selling you anything. You can come get it. So anytime I'm talking here, it knows the context we're talking about. So I can say, what is Sabio's USP, unique selling proposition? And it's going to know. Clear across your locally owned, minority owned, right? This New Mexico firm, the only New Mexico firm like recognized by Forbes. And just so you can see, I haven't tested out what I'm about to show you, so we might run across errors, and that's fine. You can see those because in reality we run across errors, you know. So this is the website we're working on. It's going to be slow. It's not, performance isn't done, but you can see this is kind of where we're looking with it. And this is their site right now. So you can see it looks very dated. Ours looks definitely more modern. So the page we're working on is job seekers. Now they've told us they like the look and feel of high profile. So what do? We want to keep their brand in their in their messaging, in their theme from their current website. We don't want to just say, you know, copy the job seekers page here and just word it in our wording, although we could do that. So what we do, I have an extension called Go Full Page Screenshot. So we're going to do this. And sometimes image OCR doesn't work as well as PDF, it seems to be. So when you get it here, this is the entire page captured. Save it as a PDF. We'll call it SAB1. I don't have as much luck extracting text in ChatGPT as I do with Gemini. So sometimes you have to do it a couple times. So just to get the text, we're going to do this. And of course, you need to verify. You need to pick something on the page. So this, I think, might be confusing for OCR. So I'm going to remember this. A good recruiter stands for, and it spells out recruiter. Respectful, energetic, caring, etc., etc. So let's do this. Extract this text. And the reason I'm doing it in Gemini, again, is because ChatGPT, I've had more luck extracting text with ChatGPT on Gemini than I have on in Gemini than I have in ChatGPT. So here we go. So we're going to get the text again. We're going to make sure it gets this. We can't eyeball everything. Expert recruiters. Yeah, it doesn't look like they got it all. Extract all the text. Use summarize. So this, you can see it's not perfect. That's why you have to verify it and make sure it gets everything. So it starts off with Sabio is the best. Let's see. Oh, am I giving it the wrong? Let me look at the actual. Okay, it starts off with in today's job market. So let's go back to here. No, okay, so it's giving me, it's not, okay, here we go. Here we go, in today's job market, okay. That's not right. Please only give me no summary. Okay, let's try it again. Again, this is the headaches you run into. I'm keeping this in here because you're going to run into these headaches too. Okay, it's totally getting crazy. So sometimes you just have to start over. Please extract. And if it doesn't work, we will go over to Claude. And if it doesn't work, we will go to ChatGPT. So please extract all of this text from this PDF. Don't give me summaries. Just give me the text. And it's okay, I'm making a typo. Let's see if there's anything. Okay, if this doesn't work, we'll try another model. Let's try it one more time. So it starts off with love what you do and do it and where you do it, okay? And what I'm looking for is the beginning and want to make sure this is in here. And if this doesn't work, I am going to pause it. You don't have to watch through all this. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it's the beginning. Yeah, I don't think it's getting it all. So let's go here. Let's try here. Please extract the. Maybe it's seeing things in images and it's not translating images to text. Please extract the text from this PDF, including any text in an image. Never had to type that out, but maybe we do. Now let's see. Make it formatted like the screenshot, like the PDF, and make sure to get all text even from images. Okay, so let's look here. Oh, I think I did it too soon. Okay, we're going to try this. Boom. I might have hit send too soon. Okay. 5 lines. Interesting. I don't think that's right. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's definitely more than 5 lines. Yeah, it's more than 5 lines. Okay. Okay, let's look over here. I think this is better. Here we go. Okay, so we got a good one here. Okay, so what we'll do, doesn't have to be perfect. So now what we're going to do, now that we have the text, we're going to throw this in. Here's a little shortcut for you, docs.new. That's going to create a new Google Docs. Current content on Savio systems page. Paste that in. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just need that text there. And we are going to give it the URL. We're going to do this. Job seekers page. Now we could have used an agent or something like that to do it, but this normally doesn't take this long. Okay? And let's actually bold that. Let's make it an H1. Bold it. Okay. Now, current content on high. profile staffing job seekers page. Make sure I got the right job seekers. Yeah, okay, it does have Dallas in the URL. Interesting. So we're going to do this. And the only reason we had to OCR it is because there was a lot of text here, like in images. So I think these are images too. Maybe, no, okay, so we could have just literally just copied all this and then this just uploaded that image. So for this one, there's no like embedded image with text on it. So all we have to do, copy, copy. Okay, so now we're going to job seekers page, and we'll just, for now, keep it there. And ChatGPT doesn't like Google Docs, so we're going to need to download as a doc file. And I'll put it here for now. And then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Make sure you're in your client project here. I need to create local SEO optimized text for the new job seekers page we are working on. They like so use that as a guide, but also use our current text to create a job seekers page in our voice. Make sure it's local SEO optimized, and I always say and highlights our USP. See attached. Okay, and we're going to upload it, and we're going to upload that document. Boom, boom, and let's see what it comes up with. Is it perfect? Is it perfect? No, but it's good enough. Generally pretty good. Yeah, see right here. This you can see this is highlighted. Forbes recognized recruiting because that's probably their primary USP. They're Forbes recognized. So this is a good framework to work with. Yep. So that's how we do it. Like I said, this is for when I advertise just website creation. I optimize core SEO services, which in my mind translates to just relying on what AI tells us, and it's actually pretty good. It's getting better and better. Once we go to the next level, we would throw all this in a Neuron Writer and totally optimize it, once we're working on campaign clients. But doing this is inevitably way better than what they currently have. So then just look through all this, look through what we have here, and then eyeball what they have here, and make sure nothing obvious got left out, right? So yeah, that's how we do it. Hope you found this useful. See ya.